Get paid to test video games. This ain't for the weak, for real gamers only. If you love playing video games, you can actually make that interest or hobby into something profitable. Many video game enthusiasts are being paid to play and test newly developed games or those that have just been released, and in return, they make good money from it. If you want to get paid to test video games and turn your hobby into a great money-making opportunity, learn this industry and find these jobs. Indeed, with many game developers conceptualizing and making lots of games, you can actually take advantage of this and turn it into a money-making opportunity. Game developers want to test the performance of their games, whether they are user-friendly and free of bugs before they are released to the market. With this, game developers and companies hire gaming enthusiasts to test their products, find bugs, report crash downs and report errors that need to be addressed and corrected to make the game perfect for users. If you want to be a game tester and get paid to test video games, you have to learn how game testers work. Testers basically play the game and find bugs and errors that need to be fixed before the game is released. To become a game tester, you have to develop good communication and have some good level of gaming skills. Because you will also be writing reports about these bugs and errors too. Although the job is quite fun, especially for video or computer game enthusiasts, you have to consider also that you will also be playing boring games over and over again to fine-tune it. You will also need to be meticulous and patient with this job, but of course, it is a great way to make money from something that you love doing. So, it really won't be work for you. One of the challenges you will face if you want to find opportunities to get paid to test video games is that these type of job is not usually easy to find. Usually, you will not find them in the usual job listings and ads, and you may need to exert a little effort to be able to find this opportunity. One thing you can do if you want to become a game tester is to find game developers and companies, whether offline or online. Visit their website for possible job openings or write letters to game developers and tell them your interest to become a video game tester. You can also find websites online that contain a directory of game testing jobs in one site, thus saving a lot of your time and effort in looking for them. If you want to get paid to test video games, you also have to improve your communication skills to be able to convince game developers that you can write good reports. Of course, part of your job as a game tester is to provide developers reports of bugs and errors found as well as crashing down incidents that developers may want to look into. To make your game tester search way more easier, I recommend you check out the #1 source for game testing jobs online since 2008. Called Gaming Jobs Online. If you want to make money from your video game playing, find out how to become a beta game tester, check out the Game Tester's website to help you turn your hobby into a fun and profitable job. Make money playing new video games. Start earning $500 to $3,500 per month, plus huge bonuses never before seen. For more details, click the link in the description box below this video today. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel.